Good morning, student. Yesterday we have completed question 1 to 6 of exercise 12.3. Now today I am going to start question number 7. You see the question number 7. It is given to you ABCD is a square. Which side is 14 centimeter with center A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. So at every midpoint of the sides we draw the circles from A point, then B point, then C point, and then D point. Now find the area of shaded region. This is the shaded part. So area of square is side square, that is equal to 14 square 196 centimeter square. So there are 4 sectors. Radius of each sector, a 4 quadrant, you can also say radius of each quadrant is 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Area of each quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square, 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel with 7, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja, 77 upon 2 centimeter square. Area of 4 quadrants, 4 into 77 upon 2, that is 154 centimeter square. Area of shaded region is, this is a square minus this is the 4 quadrant. Area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. So it is 196 minus 154, that is 42 centimeter square. Now see the question number 9. This was the question number 7. Now question number 9. In figure 12.27, AB and CD are the 2 diameter of the circle. This is the circle. This is AB and this is CD. This is AB and this is CD are the 2 diameters. C is this side. This is CD, which are perpendicular to each other. This is the 90 degree with center O. OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. This is a smaller circle. If OA is 7, this is 7 centimeter, find the area of shaded part. So this is the shaded part, and also this is the shaded part. So radius of larger circle is 7 centimeter. So area of semicircle ABC half pi r square one upon 2 into 22 upon 7, the value of pi, and radius is 7, so 7 into 7. This 7 cancel it. This is 11. 11 7 just 77 centimeter square. AB is perpendicular to OC, so area of triangle ABC half into AB into OC. AB is the diameter, this AB is the diameter, so it is 14. OA is the OC is the radius, so it is 7. 2 7 ja, so it is 49 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded part of semicircle and triangle ABC 77 minus 49 17 minus 9 8 6 minus 4 2 radius of smaller circle is 7 upon 2 because this OD is 7. So this is the diameter of smaller circle OD. So radius will be 7 upon 2. Area of a smaller circle is pi r square 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. It is 77 upon 2 centimeter square. That is 2 3 ja, 2 8 ja. Therefore, area of shaded part, this part 28 plus this part 38.5. 28 is this one, this part. and 38.5 is this part. So it become 66.5 centimeter square. You see the answer. Now see question number 10. This is the equilateral triangle. ABC, it at each vertices this is circle are drawn. Same way, and this again, this is the shaded part. You find out the area of this shaded part. Area of equilateral triangle is side square root 3 upon 4. It is given to you 17320.5. Side square value of root 3 is given to you 1.73205 upon 4. So side square is 17320.5 upon 4, 1.73205. Remove this decimal, put 10th 1 lakh, remove this decimal 0, this 0 cancel it, this whole value is cancel it become 40,000, and side is square root 40,000, that is 4 2 into 2, and this become the pair 100 into 100, so it become 200 centimeter. Now radius of each sector, because it is 200, so it is half of it, this is half of it, this is half of it, so it will be 200 upon 2, that is 100 centimeter square, and angle is 60 degree, because angle of equilateral triangle so area of each sector theta upon 360 into pi r square, 60 upon 360, value of pi is given to you 3.14 into 100 into 100. This remove it, put 100, this cancel it, 2 3 ja, 2 157 ja, 15700 upon 3 centimeter square. There are 3 sectors, so area of 3 sectors or 3 into 15700 upon 3. So it cancel it. So area of shaded region is area of equilateral triangle minus area of three sectors. This is the equilateral triangle, these are the three sectors, and it is 17320.5 minus 15700. 0.5, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 13 minus 7, 6. This is centimeter square. So your homework is question number 6, 8, 11 and 12. Thank you. हाँ जी.